All right, now in this example, we're going to be converting the following Babylonian numeral into Hindu Arabic numerals, or in other words, into the numerals we use every day, 0, 1, 2, and etc. So, first things first, remember that for Babylonians, the down wedge meant 1, and they had a left wedge representing 10. And we also have to remember that their place values were not powers of 10 like ours were. You know how our system goes from right to left? If I wrote 391, for example, this would be in the ones place, the tens place, and then the hundreds place, and so on and so on. Powers of 10. The Babylonians used powers of 60. So for the Babylonians, I'm going to make sure and identify that this right here is going to be the ones place. This right here is going to be the 60s place. Why? Because it's base 60 instead of base 10. And then the next place is going to be 60 squared. So I'm just increasing by powers as I go from right to left. This is the 60 squareds place. Now, once you've identified your place values, you're going to be adding up the numerals in each place. So if I look at this right here and I go through here, I have a down wedge, which is 1. So I have a down wedge, a down wedge, a down wedge, a left wedge for a value of 10, and a down wedge for a value of 1. And then 2 left wedges, each for a value of 10. So now, if I convert this right here, you have to sum up each number in this place. So if I add up all these here, I'm getting 3 in the 60 squareds place, 11 in the 60s place, and 20 in the ones place. So if I write this out, this is going to be 3 times, I could use 60 squared, but it's more convenient to use what 60 squared is, meaning what 60 times 60 is, and that is 3,600. Plus, well, I've got 10 plus 1 for 11, so this is going to be 11, and it's in the 60s place, so times 60. And then plus 10 plus 10 is 20, so I've got 20 in the ones place, so 20 times 1. All right, let's figure out what these are. So 20 times 1 is just 20. 11 times 60, this is going to give me 660. And then 3 times 3,600. Let's see. So you could use a calculator or do it out longhand. I'm just going to do it out longhand, so 3,600 times 3. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18, so I put the 8 here and carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1 gives me 10. So this is 10,800. Add this up, we're getting 0 here, 8 here. This is 14, and I'm going to carry the 1. And this becomes a 1 and a 1. So we get 11,480. What does this mean? This means that this right here, down wedge, down wedge, down wedge, space, left wedge, down wedge, space, left wedge, is how the Babylonians would have written and on site understood the number 11,480. And that is this example.